Hello friends, today I'm going to plant begonias. This one is non-stop orange begonia. The other one is non-stop mocha yellow. Begonias are shade plants, meaning they thrive in indirect sunlight. It's annual here in zone 7. Here it's indicated part shade or full shade. This plant can spread up to 12 inches and the length or height is 12 inches. My soil is half peat moss and half potting mix, and I added 2 handfuls of perlite. I'm watering the soil first, just enough to level down the soil because begonias can easily get rot. They don't like to bury much of their stem, so I'm going to follow the level in this pot. Begonias have pointy leaves. Those pointy leaves should be facing outside the basket, like that one. Pointing outside, pointing outside, pointing outside. Planted them as in the same level when I bought them. Going to add some fertilizer. These plants are delicate but gorgeous. I'm going to plant leucanthemum or the Shasta daisy. And Limbo GP Pitonia. Thrown in alfalfa meal and triple 13 fertilizer. This one is root bound or pot bound to loosen up the roots. I want to plant more of this daisy, but the problem is this area is so hot in the summer. Push down the soil so that there's no air pockets, because it's not good for the roots. It can suffocate them, then kill the plants. I planted two. I planted them in the same level as in their original pot when I bought them. I have watered them. That's a white yarrow, white buddleia or butterfly bush. These three plants are perennial here in zone 7. I'm looking for native plants that have white flowers so that I can add them in my little white flower garden bed. I'm going to transplant the bleeding hearts in the ground now. I've thrown in some alfalfa meal and triple 13 fertilizer. That is a columbine flower. I hope you're going to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Have a fun day.